What's going on, everyone? I'm Daniel Berry here with Exotic Car Trader, and today I'm going to show you around our 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport, custom built just for you all. This car is brand new. It's literally got delivery miles on it. We took it in, we bought it brand new, and we hooked it up a little bit. As you can see out front, we put a brand new DV8 bumper on there. Gives it a super powerful, aggressive look. You can plow through anything you want without worrying about this beautiful grille getting messed up. If you want to see where you're going at nighttime through the woods or anything like that, we put an 18-inch LED bar up front. And of course, if you get stuck in the mud, you got these super solid tow hooks on here. You'll see the car is sitting up pretty high. It's because we have a 3-inch Fabtech lift on here. It's sitting on 20-inch XD wheels, glossy black to kind of give it that stormtrooper look. And they're wrapped in 35-inch terrain tires. This is really good for off-roading, but it's not so aggressive that it's loud and obnoxious when you're driving down the road. One thing on these Jeeps is when you buy them from factory, without a side step, it's pretty ugly looking. So we went ahead, got a brand new side step, tubular side step from Fab. It gives it a nice look without being too over the top. If you come around back, we kind of continued the DV8 bumpers on the back here. This is the DV8 off-road bumper. Also has your tow hooks back here. A couple LED pods in the back. Set up with our 5th wheel, same matching as the other 4 with the 20-inch wheel, 35-inch tires. And my favorite part on this whole truck is what's going on inside. Brand new custom diamond stitch leather. It's black with the red diamond stitch, which is a really classy, sporty look. And of course, this interior is beautifully designed by Jeep with the new backup camera, the new 10-speed transmission. This one's got the V6 motor in it, so it's got power, but it's not too loud or overbearing. Overall, Jeep did an awesome job with this redesign, the new body, the new interior, and we just had to take it one step up here at Exotic Car Trader. If you're looking for more cars like this, check us out at exoticcartrader.com.